Welcome to the latest how-to tutorial from ITZOO. Remember, before starting any repair, to disconnect all power sources, including AC adapters and batteries from your device. Replacing the optical drive on the Lenovo Thinkpad T430s. First, remove the laptop battery. Next, unlock the optical drive and use the eject mechanism to eject the drive. The drive should eject cleanly and can be replaced simply by slotting it back in place. Parts for all major PCs and laptops can be found at itzoo.co.uk. We also stock a full range of PCs, laptops, tablets and servers.